How to enable electrolysis, e10s, on Mozilla Firefox Beta. How to enable electrolysis for Firefox Beta? They're testing it right now via A/B testing on this feature, so it's there. It should be possible to enable it manually, certainly through about config, but I didn't find anything that actually works for Firefox Beta 44. Mozilla document on this URL how to enable electrolysis for nightly build, but not for beta. Edit. It's now documented on this URL. In About Config, see this URL to learn how to use About Config. Set browser.tabs.remote.autostart to true. On your next restart, e10s should be active. To verify that it is active, go to About Support and look for a number higher than 0 in multi-process Windows.
To summarize it, in the address bar, write, About column config, answer yes to the warning, search for variables line after line, and set the values to those after equal sign. Browser.tabs.remote.autostart equals true. Extensions.e10s blocked by add-ons equals false. Extensions.e10s blocks enabling equals false. Create a variable, or key for those who think of this as some kind of registry, with a Boolean value. Right-click in the pane with search results, select New. Browser.tabs.remote.force-enable equals true. Restart the browser, then go to About Column Support, and as at Gagarin mentioned, in multiprocess Windows, there should be 1.1, user activated. Update. Now in Firefox 54, you should have electrolysis on by default. You should check out the option dom.ipc.processCount, and if it is still 1, turn it higher to match the physical core count, or if you know you use hyperthreading, most Core i7 and i3 on desktop, most Core i5 and i7 in laptops, AMD Ryzen, it is double that. You can also see that in Task Manager under Performance on Windows and in Top or tet/proc/cpinfo, grep processor, on Linux. Read more about it here, this URL.
Mine shows 01, disabled by add-ons. It seems some accessibility options may disable this feature. According to Mozilla Wiki, you can force it to enable in these cases by also adding browser.tabs.remote.force-enable on About Config and setting it to true, but it also alerts it may break something.
This is how to force Firefox 48 and above to enable electrolysis. In the location bar write, About column config, and tap Enter key. Right-click anywhere in the table and add a Boolean value, and name it, browser.tabs.remote.force-enable, with value of true. Restart your browser. Go to About Column Support from the location bar to confirm the enablement by checking for Multi-Process Windows Row and Application Basics table.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.